Throughout my years of driving, I've actually been rear-ended quite a few number of times, and it's not because I suddenly came to a stop. I was legitimately slowing down, or I'd been stopped for a few moments because I was at a stoplight, or, heavy rush hour traffic. I guess people are just, not paying attention or staring at their phones, so I've actually, been hit pretty hard. So in order to try to prevent that, I'm going to install this third brake light flasher on the third brake light on the car. I got it from thirdbrakelightflasher.com, but I actually got it from their Amazon store. I decided to go with this one because you can program it to just do a 4 flash slow and then go solid. Installation is actually pretty easy. You just go and cut the positive wire to the third brake light, and you splice this in between. The red wire goes towards the brake pedal. The yellow wire goes towards the light. The black wire gets grounded, and the blue and white wires you're not going to do anything with. You're just going to tape them off, and this will make them flash at the slow rate. Now, if you were to connect these two wires together, this is what controls the rate that they'll flash. It'll actually make it flash faster. I think 2 flashes per second. But again, I got this for the slow flash purposes, so I'm not going to do anything with these wires. All right, I'm going to go ahead and install this on the car now. All right, so this is the clip that goes into the back of the third brake light right here. Now, the brown wire is ground, the yellow wire is the power wire. So I've cut the power wire in half, and I've run the yellow wire from the module to the light, and then the red wire to the other end of the yellow wire going back to the car. And the brown wire, I just stripped away a little bit of it and then tapped the black wire into it. I did not connect the blue and white wires because I want this to be slow. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead, plug this in, and give it a test, and then I'll clean this all up, and then we'll see how fast this really blinks. Slow flash mode was a bit faster than I was expecting, especially after looking through Amazon and reading some of the feedback that people had on there. I'm still pretty happy with it, though. I don't think it's too fast. My original one that I had was a bit fast compared to this, and it does exactly what it advertises. It's got 2 speeds, which is, not too fast and then super fast. It's got the 4 blinks, and then it goes solid. I tried it several times, and it was pretty consistent. I had no problems there. It was very easy to install, very lightweight. I just zip tied the rest of the module to the wiring harness. But if you install this on your car, let me know what your results are in the comments below for slow mode. I want to see if it's just my unit or if it's just the way it is in general. So if you're deciding on getting one of these things, I hope this video helps with that decision and helps you with the installation as well. Thanks for watching.